Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to verify your identity on your WeChat channel. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Go ahead and click on Discover. Proceed to Channels. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. Go ahead and click on your channel name. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Go ahead and click on Account Security and Link. Go ahead and click on Channel Rename Verification. Go ahead and click on Start. Go ahead and enter your rename right here and enter your international passport number right here. After you enter your passport number, go ahead and click on Next.